guys, it's Brittany Monroe. I'm a realtor with Tropic Shores Realty here in Citrus County, Florida. Today, I am in Hernando in the neighborhood of Citrus Hills touring this brand new construction home built by Spire Homes. This is their Aruba floor plan. It has over 1,900 living square footage and it's currently available here in mid-August 2026. This is a beautiful home with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. It's located on an acre, and the Homeowners Association here in Citrus Hills is only $151 per year. This is a beautiful home, so if you're interested in it, please give me a call at 352-507-5675, and be sure to check the description below. It'll have the address, the price, and all the details. Come take a tour with me. Thanks so much for joining me on this tour. The address is 1565 West Pearson Street here in Hernando, Florida, in the neighborhood of Citrus Hills. This property is located on 1 acre. This is Spire Homes Aruba floor plan. It's currently available here in August 2026, in mid-August 2026, and it's currently priced at $399,500. So if you're interested in this property, please give me a call at 352-507-5675. Again, you can find all the details down below in the description. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting the subscribe button for more home tours here in Citrus County, Florida. Have a good one.